Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make this no-sew felt drink cozy. You're going to need this template, which you can find on the registration page, some scissors, some tacky glue, and a pencil. You're also going to need some orange felt, some white felt, and some black felt. The last thing you'll need is a coffee cup. Start out by cutting all of the pieces from the template. Next, you'll want to trace all of the template pieces onto the felt. I'm doing it upside down so I don't get any pencil marks on the right side of the fabric. And I'm just freehanding the ear triangles. Next, cut out all of the pieces from the felt. For the nose and the eyes, I'm just freehanding them on the felt. To make sure you get the right shape and size, you take the tail/body piece, wrap it around the coffee cup, and then glue it in place. And now you glue the remaining pieces of felt on the face. And then glue the little bit of white fur to the end of the tail. And then trim your face a little bit if you need to. And lastly, find out which orientation you'd like for the head and then just glue that down. And that's it for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.